Diavel V4 with beauty and power voted the most beautiful bike at Eicma 2022. I was surprised by the impact of an actual motorcycle on Eicma. All the new Ducati models were announced before Eicma, so I thought I knew the styling and the specs. But the arrival of the Diavel V4 was incredible. It is full of extraordinary power and beauty that could not fit into the frame of a cruiser. Massive yet sporty, the Diavel, which broke with existing cruiser concepts and was a resounding success worldwide, will be reborn in 2023 with a V4 engine. The details are as announced in the Ducati World Premiere 2023 Episode 6. MIGLIORE has released all the Ducati episodes, but the Diavel V4 is the focus of attention among them, and its PV count is overwhelming. My first impression when I saw the Diavel V4 at Eicma was a mix of power and beauty. While the styling is very elegant, the finishing details are subtle, and it's always new. The Diavel V4 was voted Moto più bella or most beautiful motorcycle at Eicma. This contest has been held since 2005 by Motociclismo, an Italian motorcycle magazine, and Eicma. The Diavel V4 received support from 23,000 people and won first place with a 36.8% share.